Competitor monitor checks at target website and reports new updates. Example 1 monitors website promotions. Start a new conversation in Telegram agent. Enter the target company website and choose the daily promotion collection time. The notification time can also be adjusted to your preference. The first monitor setup may take some time. Please wait patiently. When setup finishes, agent confirms that the monitor was created and shows the website being monitored. You can see the monitoring scope, daily collection time, and notification time. Agent stores the number of promotions found, making it easier to compare future website changes. Example 2 monitors news, promotions, and product updates from one website. Enter the target company website and set the scope to news, promotions, and products. Then choose the daily collection and notification times. Both can be adjusted to your preference. After sending the instruction, the first monitor setup may take some time. When setup finishes, you can see the scope, daily collection time, and notification time. Agent stores the number of news items, promotions, and products found for future comparison. Example 3 monitors price changes for several specified products. Open the detail page for one product and prepare to copy its link. Copy the product's full URL. Avoid home pages, category pages, and search results. Repeat the same steps for other products, then paste each product link on a separate line in Telegram. Choose the daily collection and notification times. Both can be adjusted to your preference. The first setup for multiple product price monitors may also take some time. Please wait patiently. When setup finishes, you can see the scope, collection time, and notification time. Agent also stores the current prices for future comparison.